50,000 spectators jam Andrews Air Force Base for an air show celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Air Force. Highlight is the finish of the Bendix Trophy race, and here's the winning plane, an F-102 Dagger. Flew from Chicago to Washington in 54 minutes. That's an average speed of 679 miles per hour for Captain Kenneth Chandler. Another star of the show, the Ryan Vertijet. Now a salute to aerial old-timers, a Bleriot monoplane, vintage 1909, and a race with the 1910 model Curtiss Pusher. What a contrast to supersonic jets. What a change in 50 short years. Yes, times have changed, and the Air Force hails its pioneers with a flyby of modern planes whose mission is safeguarding the peace.